This literature kit on The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle asks students to start their study by discussing what they already know about caterpillars. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies. Start off each act or study with before, during, and after you read discussion questions designed to prepare your students for the language and comprehension activities that follow, with rubrics, teacher guide, vocabulary, and author study. Dive right in with a selection of phonics-based activities. Complete vocabulary words with their missing double consonants or double vowels. Move on to the word study section. Find all the nouns in the sentences from the story. Test student comprehension of the story with a variety of activities. Answer questions about the novel with vocabulary words. Complete a reading response mini-book with writing and drawing activities. Students brainstorm what the caterpillar might eat and draw a picture of these things. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing the stages in the life cycle of a caterpillar as described in the book on a timeline. A crossword and word search puzzle follow. Then, a series of vocabulary flashcards. A comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Explore the life cycles of other animals, like an ant, ladybug, mosquito, and frog. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.